So so for diagnosis, we basically diagnose again on the history, and clinical examination is only conferred by culture. Okay, so we generally don't wait for cultures to come. We diagnose clinically, and cultures will come and they will just help us in our diagnosis. Okay, we generally we diagnose this clinically only. So, and in blood parameters, we see there will be lymphocytosis, and gold standard is culture done on Bordet Gangu media. So, however, cultures are not much recommended in clinical practice as the yield of the culture is very poor because of previous vaccination and antibiotic use, diluted specimen, faulty collection, and transportation of the specimen. Okay, and that's why we generally not sending cultures for pertussis in regular practice. So PCR is the most sensitive to diagnose, and it can be done even after antibiotic exposure. It should be always used in addition with the cultures. Okay, so basically only if PCR is positive and the child is not clinically symptomatic, it doesn't mean that it is a pertussis. Okay, it may be just a carrier or asymptomatic infection. So that should always be used in addition with the cultures also. So regarding the treatment, okay. So treatment is avoiding of irritants. So any irritant, sometimes it may be a smoke, okay, some deodorants, some cream smell. So irritant you have to avoid. Smoke, noise. Sometimes noise can also precipitate the paroxysmal whoop and other cough promoting factors. Okay, so for treatment we generally use antibiotics because Bordet Gangu is Bordetella pertussis is a bacteria, so we use antibiotics. So generally it is said that antibiotics should be started in the early illness. Okay, later on, if you diagnose it and you start it, it will not be much effective. So generally it should be used within 2 weeks in the first stage. So erythromycin is very commonly used. It is given for 2 weeks. And the dose is 40 to 50 milligram per kg per day, 6 hourly for 2 weeks. So it's very clumsy to give 6 hourly 4 times a day and for long time 2 weeks. So alternative is an azithromycin, which can be given once a day for 5 days. Okay, and sometimes we can, if the azithromycin is not working, then we can go higher up to clarithromycin, and it is given 12 hourly for 7 days. Okay, 15 mg per kg twice a day for 7 days. So easy to have it. So earlier we don't have clarithromycin or azithromycin. So erythromycin was the drug of choice. But these days we generally use azithromycin. And if azithromycin is not working well, then only we go to erythromycin. Okay. So along with that, we give supportive treatment in form of supplemental oxygen, hydration of the child. Always you have to think that if the child is drinking well, eating well, you don't need to give any fluids. But if the child is not having well oral intake, sometimes we may have to admit and give the IV fluids for hydration of the child. Cough mixtures, sometimes you can give some soothing agents for cough and bronchodilators. Sometimes if the child is having a lot of spasm, then we can give nebulization with the bronchodilators. Prevention. So all the household contacts should be given erythromycin for 2 weeks. So any household contact which has been exposed to the positive patient. So as I told in the early slides, if the person is very susceptible, he will have 100% chances of getting the infection. So we should give her prophylaxis of erythromycin for 2 weeks. If the child of below 7 years and not completed the 4 primary doses of vaccine earlier, we should try to complete the same vaccine. Okay, and if the child is more than 7 years and has completed primary vaccination, but not has received the booster in last 3 years, we have to give a single booster of pertussis vaccine. So you see, so vaccine can prevent the disease a lot, but vaccine get wanes with time. So after 7 years, every yearly we may have to get a booster dose. Okay. So with that, I'm going to wrap up the class. And so here I end with the class. Do you have any questions? We can have 5-minute time. You can ask me directly or you can write me on the chat.